In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dashboard in Xero. By the end, you'll know how to find your Xero dashboard, customize it with the right information, and arrange it so you can see what matters most at a glance. First, open your web browser and go to xero.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and choose the organization you want to work with. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and click Home. This takes you straight to your dashboard. Here, you'll see a snapshot of your business at a glance. Depending on your setup and permissions, you might see bank account balances, invoices owed to you, bills you need to pay, cash flow summaries, and other key insights. Think of this space as your command center. Everything you check daily should be easy to spot here so you can make quick, informed decisions. To tailor what you see, go to the top right and click Edit Homepage. This opens the customization mode so you can make the dashboard truly yours. In this mode, you can add widgets. Widgets are the individual panels that show specific data like bank accounts, invoices, bills, profit and loss, or short-term cash flow. Add only what you need so the page stays focused and fast. If you're just getting started, consider adding the widgets that reflect money coming in, money going out, and your bank balances. Those usually provide the clearest daily picture. Once you've added the widgets you want, you can drag each widget to arrange it. Click and hold on a widget and move it into the position that makes the most sense for your workflow. Many people like to keep high priority items like overdue invoices or upcoming bills in the top left area so they're the first thing you see. Don't be afraid to experiment with the layout. The grid will help snap things into place neatly. If a widget feels too large or you don't need to see all its details all the time, click the minus symbol on the widget to collapse it. Collapsing keeps the widget available without taking up much space, which helps keep your dashboard clean while preserving quick access to the information. When you're happy with the layout and the widgets you've chosen, click Done to save your changes. Take a moment to scan the updated view and confirm that your highest priority information is visible without scrolling. Remember, you can always return to Edit Homepage to refine things as your business changes. That's it. You've set up a clear, useful Xero dashboard that works for you.